Good morning, student. Today we are going to start next chapter in accountancy. Before that, last video we are just finishing the admission of partner. Now we are going to start retirement of partner or death of partner. So first we are going to start retirement of partner. In the retirement of partners, we are going to see how we are going to treat the accounting treatment of all the things in retirement of partners. Just opposite case of admission. In admission, any partner A, B are there, C will in. Here just opposite, A, B and C is there, maybe B will retire. Okay beta? B retire. Okay. C come with the cash and capital. He is retired. It means he will take capital, goodwill, reserve, fund, PL, revaluation. It means when the partner retired, it means sure and certain he will take his all part or all the things which he is invested in a business, as like a capital, in part of goodwill, in part of reserve, in part of fund, in part of PL, in part of profit on revaluation account. Okay beta? When a new partner is entered, so then he is come with the capital and goodwill, and any partner just take the retirement, so it's sure and certain he will take his all part beta, because he just goes out from the business, so then he will take all his own parts, all the things as relate with him. Okay. When any partner retired, the main point, first main point is new profit sharing ratio. Second is share of goodwill. Okay beta? These two very important point. Other thing is same. Other thing is same. And third is payment. Payment or balance of new old partner. Balance or payment. Okay beta? So we are going to take the new profit sharing ratio, then goodwill and balance or payment, maybe payment in cash or loan. Okay beta? Cash or loan. Now we are going to start. Concept is clear beta? When any partner take the retirement for the business, then he will take all his ratio, all his related things, as like the capital, goodwill, reserve, any fund, workman compensation fund and investment fluctuating fund, all the things, drawing interest, drawing all things. Okay, but here we are first going the new profit sharing ratio. Very easy. If any special case is not given, then A, B, C partner 3:2:1 is ratio. B retired, it means new ratio of A and C 3:1. Okay, only the ratio of new partner ignore the ratio of the partner who will take the retirement, only ignore, and others profit sharing ratio is like that. Okay beta? Very clear? If any other case is given, like B take retirement, he is given his ratio to A and B, or his surrendering his ratio to only B or only C or only A, then we are going to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Second point is goodwill. Now for goodwill, okay, two type of goodwill is given in the business. One appears and one is valuated. Okay beta? Appears and valuated. Okay. In appears, all the partners take the goodwill. Just appears goodwill divide in all the partner beta. The appear goodwill will divide in all partners in his profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio. But valuated goodwill, we are going to first take the share of retired partner, and then this share will distribute in remaining partner. Okay, in his gaining ratio, beta. In his gaining ratio. Clear in your mind? Two type of goodwill given in the question. Two type of goodwill: appears and valuated. If appears is there, then appear will distribute in the all partner in his profit sharing ratio. Okay. If valuated is given, then we are going to take the share of retired partner, and that retired partner share taken by the remaining partner in a gaining ratio. As like that, if A and B and C are partner and B taking retirement, okay, then the ratio of the entry B capital account, okay, and one is A capital account and C capital account. Okay, beta, these three account is there. Clear? And then we are going to insert these all account, and entry we are going to make with the ratio A capital debit, B, C capital debit to B capital. Okay, beta? And then we are going to promote it in capital account. Up to this is clear? New profit sharing ratio and then goodwill. Two type of goodwill. Appears, just distribute in a profit sharing ratio. Okay. Profit sharing ratio, and valuated, take the share of retired partner, and then that share will distributed in a remaining partners. Okay. That will distribute in the remaining partners. Clear, beta? And this is the entry. A and C taking the ratio of B, A capital, C capital to B capital. Clear? And what about the balance or payment? If in the question is given balance payment or his balance is cash, then we are written 2 cash in capital, otherwise 2 loan. Agar nothing is given, then we are going to as a 2 loan. I think well clear. When the partner is taking retirement, then he will take his capital, his ratio of reserve, his ratio of goodwill, his ratio of profit, PL, that all are taken by the retired partners. Okay, beta? Then new profit sharing ratio, only rough or ignore the retired partner, and other ratio is set. Goodwill, two type of goodwill, appear and valuated. Appear goodwill distribute in all the partner in his profit sharing ratio, and valuated goodwill, then we are going to share of retired partner, and then remaining partner is taking that ratio. Okay, beta? Now I am going for the next. Just see some questions. First we are going to take the question for new profit sharing ratio. Today we are going to see some small question. Okay, beta? Just see. In the retirement, just see practical question first. A and B, C are partners. His share is 6:5:4. Calculate the profit of the profit sharing ratio if A retired. If A retired, A, B, C are partners. Okay, beta? A, B, C are partners, and his ratio is 6:5:4. 6, 5 and 4. If A retired, first case is A retired, just only ignore the A. It means B is to C, 5 is to 4. Okay beta, clear? Then B retired, ignore the B. A is to C, 6 is to 4. If C, then ignore the C. It means A and B, 6 is to 5. Okay beta? As like that we are going to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Just see question 1b. A, B, C, D are partners and profit sharing ratio 5 is to 3 is to 1 is to 2. So calculate the new profit sharing ratio. B and C retired. A, B, C, D are the partners. 5, 3, 1, 2. 5, 3, 1, 2. And taking the retirement by the B and C. These two. Ignore. A is to and D, the ratio is 5 is to 2. Okay beta? Clear? 5 is to 2. Clear? On this way we are going to calculate the new profit sharing ratio beta. Okay? On this way we are going to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Just see some more question. Here all the questions relate with the one question we are going to see for the goodwill, adjustment of goodwill. Okay beta? Just see question number 16. L, M, N are the partners. L, M, N are the partners. Okay beta? And his profit sharing is 4, 3, 2. L, M, N are the partners. 4, 3, 2 is the ratio. 4, 3, 2 is the ratio. M retired. Okay. The valuated goodwill is 1 lakh. Okay beta? Valuated goodwill is goodwill given 1 lakh. Valuated goodwill 1 lakh. Valuated goodwill 1 lakh. Okay? Then after that L and N sharing profit in the ratio of 5 is to 3. 5 is to 3. Okay beta? Here first we are going to calculate gaining ratio and then distribute this goodwill. Okay beta? First we are going to calculate gaining ratio and then. So first we are going to calculate the gaining ratio. And for the gaining ratio, new minus old, 5 upon 8 minus 4 upon 9 for L, and for N 3 upon 8 minus 2 upon 9. (81) 45 minus 81, 9 times 45, 8 times 36. Here again 81, 27 minus 16. It means 9 upon 81 and 27, 16, 7 and 4. 11 upon 21 it means 9 is to 11 is the ratio. Okay beta? It means 9 is to 11 is the sorry, it's the 32. 13 is to 11 is the gaining ratio. Now we are going to calculate goodwill. Total goodwill is 1 lakh. We are going to calculate our retired partner share. Okay beta, so share of M goodwill 1 lakh into 3/9. Okay beta, three upon 9. Calculate what amount is coming. 3. It means 3, 3, 3, 3. 33,334. Okay, and that will divide in the partners LMN in 13 is to 11. Okay beta, 13 is to 11. Clear? Clear how to calculate beta? Clear or not? How we are going to calculate is clear beta? Now go and see one more question is like that. Just see 16B. A, R and M. I am taking the shortcut name. Just see one more question. Here main thing is that you try to understand what thing is taken by the retired partners, and here we are only going to take the all adjustment for the given the share of partners. Okay beta, given the share of partners that he needed. Okay, so then just see AR and M. ARM, and his ratio is 2:1. Okay, and goodwill valuated 3 lakh, and account is to the book at over the Ramesh retired journal entry. Okay, then we are going to the first new profit sharing ratio. Nothing new is given. Who is retired? R retired. It means A and M ratio is 2:1. Okay, up to this is clear. Now goodwill 3 lakh. Okay, then share of R goodwill. Share of R goodwill 3 lakh into 2/5. 2/5. 6 times 2, 1,20,000 beta. 1,20,000. Clear? And then we are going to distribute this 1,20,000 in A and M in the ratio of 2:1. 2:1. Okay? If any new thing or additional thing is not given, that old ratio is like a sacrificing or gaining ratio. Just do the entry here. A capital account debit, M capital account debit to R capital beta. Okay, 1,20,000 divided in 2:1 means 80,000 and 40,000. It's a entry beta. Okay. Clear? Just see one more question. It's a 20. S, R and N. Okay, 4 are the partners there, S, R and M, and profit sharing ratio is 2:1:2:1. S, R and M. I am taking the shortcut name beta. Okay, 2:1 is to 2:1. Okay, 2:1 is to 2:1, and then N is taking retirement, and his goodwill is, and the firm goodwill is 72,000, and firm goodwill is beta 72,000. Now going to start new, nothing new is given, and he is taking, these three is taking the new ratio as like a 1:1:1. Okay beta, new ratio is 1:1:1. Then we are going to calculate the what? Gaining ratio. Okay beta, we are going to calculate the gaining ratio. Now start for S, 1/3 minus 2/6. For R, 1/3 minus 1/6. For M, 1/3 minus 1/6. Just see, 6 2 times 2 minus 2. 6 2 times 2 minus 1. 6 2 times 2 minus 1. It means 0/6, 1/6, 1/6. It means only these two is gaining. It means these two are getting the ratio of goodwill. Okay beta, clear? Then we are going to calculate share of N. 72,000 into 2/6. 3 2 times 1 4 times 24,000. 24,000 divided into 1/6. 1/6 is equal. It means beta equal. Then we are going to entry, and entry is R and M. R capital account David, M capital account David to N capital. 12,000 equal 24,000 divided in 2 parts. Okay beta, clear? 24,000 divided in 2 parts, 12 because equal 1:1. Okay, clear? On this basis we are going to calculate the ratio of new partner. Are you saying, are any partner retired? Then we are going to do these all the things. Okay, in next class we will going to see full question in which all the adjustment, revaluation account and capital account. Okay beta, okay, thank you.